Hello, my name's Steve, and we have a product we're going to talk about today called Torque Jack, and you can find it at torquejack.com. And what it does is it replaces your S handle, and these things are really cumbersome to work with. I hate these things. So we figured there's probably an easier way, and we came up with Torque Jack. Torque Jack goes on the same spot, the same bolt hole, just slides right on to where your S handle would have gone, and you can do it manually just like a normal swivel handle, or as designed, with a cordless drill. So there isn't any pushback, it's very minimal, if any at all. But this lowers and raises your trailer, obviously, and works really well. It's really designed for single square jack trailers. Your typical skid loader trailer, a tilt bed, ramp trailer, 14,000 pound GVW. It really does not work very well with dual jack setups. Dual jack setups are just a little too much for it, a little too much for your drill. I'm going to do the anti-sell here. I would prefer that you don't even buy it if you're going to try it on a dual jack setup. It's designed for single jack setups. It'll work with about 800 pounds of tongue weight, right around there. Works well. Like I said, you can do it manually as well. Really, once you use the drill, I would highly recommend that you do not use an impact. This will hold up to a 3/8 impact, but you will destroy your spider gears in here in your square jack. So please do not use an impact. I'm a fan of DeWalt or Milwaukee. You want at least 1,000 inch-pounds of torque on your drill, and I think Milwaukee's half-inch has like 1,200 inch-pounds of torque, which is really good. The DeWalt, you're around 900, 1,000. But anyhow, that's pretty much it. TorqueJack.com. If you buy 4, you get free shipping, so that saves you some money. And I hope you like it. Thank you very much.